Using this method allows researchers to obtain highly quantitative measures of active brown adipose tissue, or BAT, in human subjects. Our methodology is designed to avoid common false positives and provide in-depth instruction on how to identify and classify brown adipose tissue depots.
The main advantage of this technique is the exclusion of false positives and the classification of metabolically active brown adipose tissue depots.
Begin this procedure with loading and prepping of the PET-CT images as described in the text protocol. After navigating through slices on all views, select Edit at the top left of the toolbar and select Brown Fat ROIs from the drop-down menu that appears. In the new dialog box that appears, check Use SUV and Use CT checkboxes. Then, select one of the three voxel inclusion criteria. Select Interior to apply the BAT detection algorithm to examine the voxels inside the area of the ROI. Now, input an SUV lower limit normalized to the individual's measured or predicted lean body mass, and an upper limit sufficient to accommodate high activity levels. Input the BAT density range in the second row of free text fields. Check the checkbox located beneath volume times mean so that all voxels deemed to be BAT will be highlighted in blue while the brown fat ROI window is open. Draw the ROIs by clicking the Draw button in the brown fat ROI dialog box.